So position of adverbs. Adverbs, where do they are placed? Adverbs of manner comes after verb or after the object. For example, she sang beautifully. So verb is your sang. After the verb it is saying. Adverbs of manner is placed after the verb. So after the verb beautifully. Beautifully is your adverb of manner. Or after the object. Object in a statement, in a sentence is she took the money reluctantly. Means she took the money. Money is your object here. So after the object you are placing reluctantly. This is your adverb of manner. So I think this doubt is clear and it is important also. Question bit 2, this if an adverb is placed after a clause or a phrase, it is considered to modify the verb. For example, see, they secretly decided to leave the town. Secretly is adverb here. But you will see how the meaning of the statement is changing if we are placing this secretly after the clause or a phrase. They decided to leave the town secretly. Here they are deciding, means the decision is taken secretly. Means your decision is taken secretly, but here in second statement they decided to leave the town secretly. Means they are planning to, they secretly decided to leave the town. They decided to leave the town secretly. Means here they are planning and they are thinking also to leave the town secretly. The third condition is what? Here, there can be followed by be. Be means if it is is, are, all this. Come, go plus noun object. Like example, Tom is here. Means he is present in the room. Then here is Tom. Here is Tom means he has just come or he has just arrived. So we are saying here is Tom. And Tom comes here. Means he usually visits this place. Means we are saying that Tom comes here. He usually comes to this place. So we need to take care how we are using this here. Means how it is followed by your is, are, come. Means we should take care of this. This is very important. Then your since and ever since are used with your perfect tenses. Like he has been in bed since he broke his leg. Your perfect tense and since he broke his leg. He has been in this hospital since he knew that she is working. So we have to take care that we are using with this perfect tense. Then your yet and still after a verb. He hasn't finished his breakfast yet. Breakfast. Finished is your verb. So it is used after your verb. So we will be seeing position of adverbs, your sixth condition. What is that? Adverb of degrees. Example, you are all absolutely right. Means you are completely right. That defines, means it is defining your right. Means how much you are correct. It is defined by absolutely. So this is your degree of adverb. Adverb of degree. Then I am almost ready. I am not completely ready, but I am almost. I am going to, means I am going to complete that work. So I am almost ready. This is also adverb of degree. Then if this is your exception, if enough is your adverb, this is always follows its adjective. Do not write anywhere before its adjective. Like the box isn't big enough. Box is your noun here. Big is your adjective. So enough should always follows its adjective. So big, after big only place your enough. This is your adverb. Then G is what? Else should be followed by adverb but not then. Adverb but means it is nothing else than pride. This is wrong. Don't put else, don't put than after else. Your correct statement is what? It is nothing else but pride. If question is given, it is nothing else dash pride, don't put than, always use but. If you like our videos, do press the like button, do subscribe our channel in YouTube, and don't forget to press the subscribe button. And to get regular study materials, do visit our website edsuper.com.